Got a pretty terrific day today. It's an interesting day as well. We'll talk about all that as we highlight what you need to know first. With apologies to the folks from the 70s who sang "Smoke from a Distant Fire," the Sanford Townsend Band. We've got smoke from a distant fire overhead. This weekend, there are rain chances. Those rain chances, though, they are scattered. It's not going to be a washout of a weekend. Saturday, maybe a little drier than Sunday, but you should be able to get a lot of your weekend stuff in. The cool that's coming early next week, it's just a brief little flirtation with fall. So, if you looked up today, the sky was not blue. The sky, really, for a lot of us, took on the shade of gray. So what is it? It is the smoke from a distant fire. The fires are not the California fires, by the way, but ones down to our south. And by the way, the thing with the smoke in the air, too, could make for a really pretty sunset, which, by the way, is at 7:54. So this is taking a parameter in one of our computer models, the HRRR, and it has a smoke parameter in it. Now, you see what's going on out west, where it's just horrific. You also can see the smoke swirling around the closed low sitting out there in the four corners. But our smoke is coming from fires. You see the plumes from the fires that are in Georgia, in Alabama. The winds then get into the mid-levels of the atmosphere, and it takes the smoke up toward us, which, by the way, as we get a little more of a northeast wind tomorrow at the surface, is going to push some of that smoke away. So there's your setup. Kind of interesting for you. From the Kentucky Mesonet, kymesonet.org, 86 Jackson and Boonville, 83 Somerset, Whitley City. Barberville's 84, so Shelbyville. Lawrenceburg's 85. South side of Lexington's 83. West side stays at 84, with a high today of been 85. So here is our summertime warmth holding on. Meanwhile, out west, it has been just nasty cold. And that front, boy, is that a front. It isn't going anywhere. So here's the setup. You've got this big area below normal temperatures on the other side of the cold front. Meanwhile, we're still above normal for tomorrow. Our normal high is in the low 80s. What happens by the time we get you to Friday? The below normal area is shrinking, but ironically enough, so is the above normal. So our temperatures by Friday are just near normal as balance continues to maintain itself. So there's your front. It's not really going anywhere. It's drifting our way, and it does come through quietly as a cool front. By tomorrow late, you'll see a few more clouds around. Rain chances, again, remain small, but eventually a system will come out of the west, the same one out there, but in a much weaker state, and that's our rain chances for the weekend. Fair sky tonight. It's warm, and again, remember, check out the sunset a little bit before 8. Mid-60s will be your overnight low. Your day tomorrow, pretty good one. More clouds around in the afternoon, but sunshine in the morning. We're in the upper 80s. We're in the mid-80s on Friday. Shower and thunderstorm chances hit their peak over the weekend, and temperatures fall a little bit next week.